Jamhuts fruit fly trap.
This is a convenient and hands-free way to trap those pests.
It uses a little UV light and sticky traps.
This set comes with 10 sticky traps.
Dispose and replace as needed. Simply peel back the paper on both sides and load up. You're going to want to pull back the prongs and put the unit into the wall. Load the card in once it's ready to go.
Push the button in, turn it on, and give it some time.
With a little luck, you'll trap those nasty pests. Depends on where you put it and how many pests you have. This is awesome. Thanks for listening and watching my video. If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.